Hi friends, welcome to my channel Facts Delivered. Today I will be giving you review about my recent purchase of refrigerator from Bosch. This is a very smart and beautiful refrigerator with metallic body on outside and black glass door as frontage. The black glass door gives it a very elegant look. Since we live in an apartment due to space constraint, we were looking for higher capacity fridge in lower dimension. So from appearance, it's a compact look with one of the highest capacities in the available dimensions. It has a combined capacity of 557 liters with 417 liters, approximately 75% of the space in the fridge, and 142 liters, that is 25%, in the refrigerator. As it appears, it's a dual door refrigerator with fridge section above and freezer at the bottom. This was also one of the criteria for selections since our usage of the fridge is more than the freezer. It also comes with a smart digital display with settings. Now let's open the door. See what's inside. As you can see, the refrigerator is fitted with LED light. This gives a clear visibility inside the fridge. There are 4 compartments and 3 are adjustable. So first, second and third are adjustable, the fourth one is not. And it comes with 2 VitaFresh drawers, pull out doors, and 1 VitaFresh Plus. There is also a humidity control switch. So if you are using it for fruits, you can push it inside, and if you are using it for vegetables, you can pull it out. These 2 VitaFresh compartments are specially for fish and meat, and there is a switch inside which is adjustment for extra cold and cold. So if you are keeping fish and meat, you can switch it to extra cold, and if you want normal, then you can switch it to the cold. It also comes with bottle tray, and there is also a pull out compartment for medicines. We generally use it for keeping butter and cheese. Now this is the door section. You can see there are 4 subsections in the door. The upper one comes with a closer lid. We generally use it for keeping Yakult. It also comes with 3 egg trays, and this is a bottle rack. So overall, if you see, the depth of the refrigerator is good, and the storage capacity in this kind of dimension is one of the best. Considering the capacity, the dimensions of the fridge are: width is 27.5 inch, depth is 31.4 inch, and height is 76 inches. So if you see height in feet, it is close to 6.3 feet. One of the essential things to look in a refrigerator is whether the door is reversible or not. For Bosch, the door was reversible and we were able to get it reversed. So lot of space available for the VitaFresh Plus drawer. I've opened the drawer. You will be able to see lot of space for vegetables and fruits. Close to 15 days the vegetables and fruits can be fresh with a humidity control switch. I'm opening the VitaFresh Plus drawers for fish and meat. Overall, internally, also the looks are very elegant. This is how it looks post storage. Lot of internal spaces there. The upper compartment you can use to store groceries. lot of space in the pull out drawer for vegetables. The height and the depth of the Vita Fresh Plus drawers is good. Now let me show you the freezer. As you can see, it's divided into two compartments. This is a bigger box. This is the ice tray, and this is another compartment. So the upper compartment is divided into two subcompartments. One occupies partially the ice tray, another is vacant. For getting the ice cubes, you just need to pull this lever down and it will be ready. This is the pull out tray where you can get the ice. This is a bit smaller compartment. Though a lot of large space inside. To tell you few drawbacks, there is some amount of condensation on these racks. So if you are able to see, here there is some amount of condensation which happens. But compared to the other aspects, this one drawback can be ignored. To conclude, why Bosch refrigerator? First is the capacity in the available dimension is one of the best in the space. Second is, I will give 5-star on the looks. It has got a very elegant look with a very nice display. 5 stars to Bosch for that. Third is reversible door. Fourth is fits in a very compact space. Also, it comes with a Vario inverter. So this also increases the life of the condenser. The condenser warranty is 10 years. Overall, the warranty on the fridge is 1 year. In India, the MRP of the refrigerator is close to 84,000. However, you will get in the range from 57,000 to 63,000. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Thank you.